Judy, Rob, the I-Team is finding that millions of dollars, some of which could be your refund money, is sitting in limbo. The Cook County Treasurer is blaming the private company hired to upgrade the county's computer systems. Cook County computer systems from the treasurer, clerk, and assessor are being enhanced into a single system. The county has paid Tyler Technologies close to $29 million, but about 10 years into the contract, there are delays affecting you. Under the Freedom of Information Act, the I-Team obtained this letter on July 10th from Cook County Treasurer Maria Pappas to Cook County President Tony Preckwinkle. In it, Pappas says that delays from the private computer company are holding up $216 million in property tax payments to 2,200 taxing agencies relying on the revenue. It also says that the Treasurer's office can't issue $56 million in refund checks owed to 25,000 property owners. Preckwinkle responded in a letter saying the Treasurer's office was not taking the proper action to prepare, but the Treasurer denies that allegation, saying her office has been working around the clock. And there are more delays when it comes to making assessment corrections. The Cook County Assessor's Office telling the I-Team that due to a countywide technology upgrade, the processing of certificates of error is temporarily on hold. This means that approved applications will not be issued refunds until the upgrade is complete.
We do empathize with homeowners. We understand it can be a frustrating process, and we are doing everything in our power to smooth this out.
Tyler Technologies issued a statement to the I-Team saying, "We continue to fully support Cook County as they move forward with their data review and full system implementation." Tyler added, "It's been ensuring that data information being converted has been accurate and that additional data resulted in changes." The county says when upgrades are complete, they will improve the processing of everything, including those refund checks. But for now, the problems will also delay the second installment of property tax bills, which are usually due August 1st. Rob, Judy, we also have more of the back and forth on this between the treasurer and the tech company. That's on our free news app and our website. But right now, a lot of drama and a lot of people saying, "Where's my money?"